Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goel and in this video we are going to solve 5000 square minus 4999 square is equals to what? 1, 9999, 2 or neither. So let's start with the today's video solution. So 5000 square minus 4999 square. So here we can use a very famous identity, that is a square minus b square, which is equals to a plus b, a minus b. So a is 5000. So 5000 plus 4999 times 5000 minus 4999. So it becomes 9999 times 1. So it is 9999. So option B is the correct answer. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So please give us a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned.